What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and I will show you some magic directly related to this price action. And next, I will show you some major fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we have two options. First of all, let me show you in details that we have completed all 5 wave structure from this bottom, from the level of about $4.82 to this top to the range of about $8.04. And because of this, we have to have a retracement, and usually retracement has to have a shape of simple zigzag, and we have first zigzag right here. And definitely it might be the first breakdown that from this bottom we might have next leg to the upside. But we have another option. We have this first zigzag is only the A wave on a slightly bigger scale, and if it is the case, we have this as our B wave and we have to land the bottom of our C wave. This is the second option, and for now, because of this turnover, I think it is not the primary case, and that's why we have to be very cautious. And let me show you why I was talking about the magic. You all know that algo trades usually use just swing high and swing lows, and let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this high to this low, let me show you right here that we reached exactly the level of golden pocket, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. Let me turn off this tool, we don't need it right now. We have a very good reaction from the golden pocket range. Next one, if I pull the same tool from this swing low to this swing high, as you can see, again, we have a very good reaction from the golden pocket range. And next one, if I pull from this swing high to this swing low, again, we are reaching the range of golden pocket, and this means this consolidation phase is tightening its range and we might have a major breakout, and for now it is quite tricky to assume where will the price land, but I will show you some details in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, I want to show you this article that was published on June the 2nd on Seeking Alpha, and it's titled SOFI Misplaced Fears. And the summary of this article is following. SOFI has rallied sharply from lows below $5, but the stock shouldn't have traded this low. The fintech specializes in refinancing student loans and the market has misplaced fears over student loan debt forgiveness. The stock only trades at 3x of 2023 revenue targets, with the end to the student debt moratorium providing upside to sales targets. And let me show you what did Anthony Noto said about how SOFI would happily like to see the Biden administration approve a $10,000 student loan forgiveness plan and move on with repayment requirements. And he said, once there actually is forgiveness, there is nothing to wait for anymore. You know now what the plan is, and you have to make a decision. Well, if you had $70,000 in loans, which is our target market, and you get $10,000 in forgiveness, you still have to refinance $60,000. But the number of people that will be refinancing will be magnitudes greater than it was in the past, because there's really no reason to wait any longer, especially with rates going up. And definitely, Anthony Noto is very bullish on SOFI, because he knows that despite of this student loan forgiveness, we will see the end of student loan moratorium at the same time, and definitely it will increase the fundamental numbers of SOFI. On top of that, let me show you that SOFI just announced on June the 2nd that SOFI Invest adds more hours to the trading day to empower members to trade on their own terms. And it is an extension for trading that might bring a lot of new customers to SOFI investing app, and definitely it will increase the fundamentals as well. That is why these two reasons added even more power to the certainty of Anthony Noto, and because of this Anthony Noto continues to buy shares of SOFI. Let me show you, we have three recent filings. On May 26th he received a new option plan, and he received about 101.66 thousand shares of SOFI, and because it is a taxable event, he has to pay taxes, and next filing was made again on May 26th, and he sold 52.5 thousand shares in order to pay his taxes. But it is just technical actions, and you cannot rely on this action, as CEO just sold a part of his shares. He actually buys more. As you can see, on June the 1st, he buys again 21.21 thousand shares on the price of $7.07. And definitely this action improves the credibility of this company from the investor standpoint. Because let me show you this information. One of the greatest investors of all time, Peter Lynch, was noted as saying that insiders might sell their shares for any number of reasons, but they buy them for only one. They think the price will rise. And definitely for now we have the most important person in SOFI C-level executives team, and he is 100% confident that SOFI will go higher. The price of SOFI shares will go higher. That is why he is consistently buying. But we have to be very cautious, because let me show you this news. If we type in Google search bar Jamie Dimon, you will find a lot of news related to Jamie Dimon basically, and he is a JP Morgan Chase CEO, and he said that you have to brace yourself for an economic hurricane. And all of the news medias made the same statement, cited Jamie Dimon. And I have to say that we might see a lot of headwinds in upcoming months, and that is why we might see much lower prices for all of the tech stocks and all of the growth stocks on the market. That's why we have to be cautious. But all in all, the range of about $7 is a very attractive average price for SOFI if you want to add to your position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I don't think that this ABC on a greater scale, this ABC retracement might be the case, because it lasts a bit longer than I thought. That's why my primary count is this ABC correction, and this might be only the first wave on a slightly smaller scale. This is the second, and we have to complete the third wave. And if it is the case, we have several crucial points. First of all, it is the top of this wave. It is the price point of $7.67, and if this asset breaks the range of $7.67, we will invalidate this ABC correction as the pattern, as the main pattern, and next range of resistance might be this top. And the second point when we might confirm the movement to the upside is this range of resistance. Definitely, when this asset breaks this point of control, we will establish higher highs on a slightly bigger scale, and this means our main targets might be at this point, and from the current range it might be up to 43, almost 44% of potential profits. Otherwise, if this asset breaks this bottom and this one, we'll confirm this ABC correction, and in this case we might land lower, and the next range of support will be at roughly $6 mark. So I think it is quite clear that we have to break several key levels in order to confirm the trend, and that's why for now you have to be cautious as a swing trader. But if you want to invest in this asset, I think the ranges of about $7, $7.5 is very attractive from the fundamental standpoint for the long-term investors. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go